What's going on, everybody? Hope you're all having a good week. So Formula Drifts this weekend. I'm going down there tomorrow morning. Today's Wednesday, so I'm going down Thursday morning. It's gonna be rainy and crappy, so that's gonna suck. But I want to show you our next project that we're probably gonna get started on Thursday. A golf cart, you may ask. Why? Well, it's not gonna be a golf cart. It's gonna be a pick cart. I am tired of having the toolbox in the trailer, having a tire rack that is a gigantic pain in the ass to push in and out of the trailer, and also, tired of just pushing the tire rack around, running in and out of the trailer to grab tools. It'd be nice to back a pick cart out, put it next to the car, so when we're at the track I can just grab tools, I can grab parts, I can grab hardware. So that's the plan. We're gonna outfit this with toolbox, probably on that side of the cart. There'll be probably tire racks front and back. The chassis is probably gonna get stretched. Probably gonna be a lot of stuff, but it's an old beat up Yamaha 2-stroke golf cart. Seems to run pretty decent. I think it needs a good carb clean. Brakes don't work, so that sucks, but yeah. Get it running, driving, cut the body off of it, figure out how to mount everything, and go from there. But again, heading to FD. We're taking the big trailer just to camp in. I don't think I'm bringing the car or anything like that. So Mike is staying with us, or staying with me rather. There's no us for this weekend. Kids are with their mother. So yeah, it's gonna be a fun time. I'll do my best to take as many videos as possible there. I won't be super busy, so it's just a fun weekend for me. It's gonna be weird. I haven't had like a non-busy weekend for myself in a long time, so should be a good time. So much play in the wheel. Hi! Oh, I just do a wheelie. Mike, wave. Wave to the people at YouTube.
Hi, YouTube people.
So we're here at FD, Connecticut. Just walking around the pit saying hi to people. Checking the place out. The place looks sick. We haven't even watched any cars go yet, so we're just like, I'm walking around. You get Mike.
Anymore.
What's that, Mike?
I can't suck my stomach in anymore.
Oh, it failed. Oh boy. Let's go, Brewski!
Make some noise for Mr. Never Settle, Dimitri Brewski, your winner, round 2 of the League Engine Management Prospect Championship! Woo!
Yeah, well, that looked like a track race. The attitude of the car just got shot. Right turn, tries to time it because he knows who he's going against. Used to looks like he's taking it all off right now. Start a little bit.
Alright guys, so just got back from Formula Drift, and I didn't take a ton of videos, ton of pictures, nothing. So, unfortunately, there won't be much there. I also kind of changed my plans for today. A, I woke up late because I didn't go to bed till like 4 in the morning. B, after talking to a bunch of people at FD, I want to get a sway bar, front sway bar put in the car. The car seems fast the way it is, but from what everybody's telling me, from what I talked to some suspension people, essentially I should 100% be running a front bar. So we're going to do that. Sorry, my voice is totally messed up. I've been yelling for 3 days. So, but yeah, I'm gonna try to figure this sway bar deal out, see what I can find out. Just doing it on the floor because I'm tired and I don't want to move a bunch of stuff around to get a lift open. So we're gonna do this. All right, so this is the sway bar that I am building for the front of the car. It's a piece of 1 1/8 120 wall DOM and chromoly rather. And we've got the ends to those spline sway bars I got given to me. Welded them in, drilled a couple holes, plug welded them, and now we're gonna wrap it up nice and tight in this weld blanket and let this thing cool slowly. And essentially what that's gonna do is help all of the metals between the chromoly, the bar ends, whatever those are made out of, and the weld. It's gonna help all of that cool really slow and help all the metals get to a similar structure. So these are what the bars that I got given to me. They're way too short for the front, so we cut the ends off. I machined these down to fit inside of the piece of chromoly, welded them, drilled, plug welded, and yeah. So once that's cool, get that in there. I've got 2 bar ends like these on order. I have 2 of these, but the only problem is I tried bending this one for the rear, so I ruined it. So I've got 2 more of these on order. Should be very easy to make fit in there. It'll go straight and then straight 90 off out to the control arm. Should work really well. On the other hand, I got this Barra swapped Mustang that I've been working on. So it's a 4-liter Barra. It's going to be turboed. Got the transmission cross member for this thing all whipped up. I still got to finish weld it, but yeah, nice, tight, tons of room for exhaust, hopefully. But yeah, I think that's gonna do it for this one, guys. I don't know how long it's gonna be. Hopefully I'll throw some clips from FD in there. But yeah, this weekend we got the Wicked Big Car Show happening. It's 15 minutes down the road at New Hampshire Motor Speedway. So I'm going to be driving the Vette. I've got like 30 drivers that I invited to come as well. All solid people, so we should have some sick laps. I don't know how much seat time I'm gonna get. I'm hoping the car is gonna stay much cooler. This will be a good test for that. But yeah, it's gonna be a good time regardless. I'm really excited. So yeah, I appreciate you guys tuning in. Please like, comment, subscribe, do all those things, you know. Let me know what you want to see on the channel. Obviously, I've got the pit cart thing that is going to be start getting built soon, so that'll be a fun little project for us. So yeah, I appreciate you guys, and I'll catch you on the next one. Peace.